Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the construction of the new KFC store in Runaway Bay. This is going to be the 47th store that KFC opens in Jamaica. Sorry, not 47th, 45th store that KFC opens in Jamaica. And actually the 6th store that they're opening in the parish of St Ann. Now this is the structure straight ahead. It's located in Runaway Bay off the main road. And that white building is going to be a store, and then the red building beside it, that is the KFC. And it's actually located on Lay Drive in Runaway Bay. There's also a gas station at this property. As you can see, Runaway Bay has a lot of land for development. It's actually the second fastest growing area in Jamaica. And that's probably the reason why KFC is the first fast food chain to have an outlet in Runaway Bay. There is no Burger King, no Juicy Patties, no Tasty, Island Grill. Again, KFC is leading the way. They did the same thing in Draxall, the fastest growing area in Jamaica. They set up the KFC store long before other fast food chains reached there. And because of the growth in Draxall, everybody wants a store in Draxall now, but KFC was the first one there. So we really have to give KFC credit for knowing where to put their stores. They have 2 stores in Ocho Rios, one in Draxall, as we stated, one in St Ann's Bay, one in Brownstown, and then the 6th one is in for St Ann is going to be here in Runaway Bay. Now, looking at this store, it looks kind of small to be a KFC. I don't know if it's because we're flying the drone, but maybe because this is a 6th store in St Ann, then they don't need a massive store. But we'll give you a walk-in tour when it opens. And the average KFC store costs about 300 million to set up. And KFC is opening stores all over Jamaica. They were in 12 parishes, and they recently opened their 44th store in Morant Bay, I think this month. And this one should open early next year. And they recently reopened their store in Black River. It was damaged by the hurricane, and they recently reopened it. So the only parish in Jamaica that doesn't have a KFC now is Hanover. But I'm sure that will change very soon. Alright guys, enjoy the tour, and we'll keep you guys updated on the construction of this store. And let us know what you think about the size of the store. Alright guys, have a good day.